Yeah, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone, English for all of the speakers. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another lesson. Okay, let's continue. Sea, sea, mooy géej. Sea, sea. Beach, 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 mooy tefes, tefes. Stone, stone, mooy xeer. Mountain, mountain, doj wala tund maanaam montagne. Mountain. Forest, forest, forest. Àll wala gol wala ñu naan ko got. Forest. Sand, sand. Beeñ, suuf su beeñ. Tree, tree. Garab, tree. Branch, branch. Bànqaas, bànqaas garab. Branch. Leaf, leaf. Car, cari garab. Leaf. Root, root. Reen, reen. Trunk, trunk. Dat, dat. Trunk. Cave, cave. Xunt, xunt mi. Cave. Grass, grass. Ñax, ñax. Sunlight, sunlight. Cenneeri jant, cenneeri jant. Sunlight. Space, space. Okay, ndëneer. Space. Universe, universe. Dend, univers, l'univers. Dend gi. Universe. Planet, planet. Deel wala deele. Planet. Weather, weather wala climate, climate. Ñuux, ñuux mi. Climate mooy climat. Air, air. El mi. Air, air. Gaz, gaz. Gil, gil gi. Gaz. Environment, environment, environment. Keew, keew mi. L'environnement. Satellite, satellite. Ndaaraan, ndaaraan. Maanaam satellite ci français. Satellite. The world, the world. Dend bi, dend bi. The world. Storm, storm, storm. Ngëleen, ngëleen. Xeetu ngelaw la. Ngëleen. Breeze, breeze. Njayaxaan, njayaxaan. Moom xeetu ngelaw la moom kazaalika. Waves, waves. Duusi géej, duusi géej. Waves. All right, thank you and see you in the next one.